Imagine a tool that doesn't just support your career, but guides you confidently through the journey to success. CyberWarrior's AI job search engine is an AI-powered platform that guides you through the complexities of job searching and career development efficiently, intelligently, and with a personalized touch. This tool is your personal career GPS. It starts by analyzing your unique skills, interests, and experiences. From there, it maps out potential career paths that fit your profile, suggesting options you may not have even considered. CyberWarrior's AI job search engine provides a tailored journey that aligns with both your personal and professional goals, ensuring you're on the right track for success. But it doesn't stop there. This tool streamlines the entire job application process. It tracks where you've applied, keeps tabs on the status of your applications, and even reminds you to follow up, so you never miss an opportunity. Next, it works its AI magic on your resume and online profiles. CyberWarrior's AI job search engine tailors your resume for each job, ensuring the most relevant skills and experiences are front and center. Additionally, it provides keyword optimization by identifying and incorporating industry-specific keywords, which in turn improves visibility to recruiters. By enhancing your online profile with these features, it increases your chances of standing out among applicants. Need to brush up on some skills? We identify gaps in your expertise based on your target job and recommend specific courses, workshops, or learning materials to make you a stronger candidate. And when it's time for interviews, CyberWarrior's AI job search engine steps in with AI-driven mock interviews. It offers feedback on your responses, body language, and communication style, preparing you for real-world scenarios with confidence. So, how does it work? First, you input your career history, skills, and preferences. The AI then analyzes this data alongside current job market trends, skills in demand, and your career goals. Based on this analysis, CyberWarrior's AI job search engine gives you personalized recommendations, whether that's applying for a job, connecting with industry professionals, or upskilling in specific areas. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. The tool learns from your actions, what works, what doesn't, and adjusts its recommendations to better suit your career growth. Think of it as having a career coach, profile writer, and job tracker all in one intelligent platform. It will make your job search and career development smoother and more personalized. This tool isn't just guiding you, it's evolving with you. Welcome to the future of career development with CyberWarrior's AI job search engine.